Many people want to get hair transplants to improve their overall density and achieve better coverage. But is this possible? Can you do a hair transplant to improve your density? Hi, I'm János from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator I have accompanied the treatment of more than 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. Yes, hair transplant can be used to improve hair density in areas where hair is thinning or has been lost due to genetic factors, aging or other causes. During the hair transplant procedure, hair follicles are taken from the back or sides of the head and transplanted to the area where the hair density needs to be improved. Although when it comes to the recipient area, it's important to have enough space where the donor hairs can be implanted. If you wish to increase the density in an area where you still have a relatively decent amount of hair, you risk damaging your existing hair follicles. Placing new grafts too close to the old ones can easily ruin both the implanted grafts and the ones that were originally there. Additionally, if you wish to cover a large area affected by the baldness, you may need multiple sessions to achieve your desired results. The success of the procedure depends on various factors, including the skill and the experience of the surgeon and the quality of the donor hair, amongst other things. In some cases, other treatments such as medication or low-level laser therapy may be recommended in combination with a hair transplant. This can often further improve hair density and overall hair health, leading to better results. Although it's best to consult with a qualified hair transplant surgeon first to determine the best treatment plan for your individual needs and goals. Did you have a hair transplant surgery just to improve the density? If so, are you happy with the results? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week so you can take a look at success stories and learn more about hair restoration methods that can help you overcome hair loss once and for all. Thank you for watching.